So this is Colorado. It's March 23rd, I think. Wednesday. This is what it looks like in Colorado right now. It was like 71, 72 yesterday. But as you can see, it's coming down pretty freaking hard. I should be plowing, but we have some family complications. And I had to stay home with Valen. Didn't have anybody to take care of my son. No daycare. Gotta do what you gotta do. This stuff would be so much fun to plow. So on my front porch, it's really thin, but you go out a couple feet and we got like 10, 12, 14 inches out there.